Hello everyone, today I want to share you a simple yet very keto-diet friendly Chinese dish, making some fun factors of our lives. We need a big chunk of fresh streaky pork, then you can enjoy both fat and lean.
Very fresh.
We also need a can of beer and some ingredients. We start from washing some green onions and fresh ginger. Better to have a piece of cinnamon and star anise. We must clean the pork and watch and follow my steps.
Okay. Almost done. 现在刮。
Now let's cut it into small chunks. Be very careful because it's very hot from the hot water.
Oh, this water.
Now heat the wok and then lubricate it with some cooking oil to prevent pork stick on the wok surface. If you are using a non-sticky wok, you can definitely skip this step. Take out all these oils, then you put in the meat piece by piece. We just stir fry all of them, make sure the surface looks very beautiful golden color. Now all ingredients in. Now this dish requires two different kinds of soy sauce. First one is the regular version, then the very dark version, both making this dish very tasty and very beautiful color of the meat. Now you put all this beer into this wok, so make sure it covers all the meat. Then you boil all of them. When it starts boiling, turn the heat to the minimal level and then entering the simmering process for 1.5 hours.
Can you try first? Because you have already put the soy sauce.
To skip the fat.
Nice.
Because we already put a can of beer inside, now we still can taste the beer flavor. It's so rich. And also this cooking wine all blend together. This is some kind of unique flavor we created today.
Oh, nice. So do we still need more salt?
I think that's okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to add some green onion.
Yeah?
So now this dish should be ready. Get a plate, then we can serve it. This one. Now I'm going to take it out. But we are still cooking the rice.
But we can have some meat first.
Alright.
And we have to cook the
vegetable.
veggies.
Alright.
Yeah.
One veg dish. And later, I will also give you guys a soup.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Starving.
Alright. Our first dish is
Oh, so
ready.
much oil.
So rich, fat. This dish is so delicious because it's so fat. And it puts the sugar together with the cooking one, Chinese cooking one. Now, alright, let me just take this one on top of this and give it a little bit tuning.
Now the dish is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video and try to make your version at home, making some fun factors of your life. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a very nice day.